we're here at the IBC 2025 with Brandon.
Right here we have the Nova 9-degree 2x1. This matches the entire Nova 2 family and actually uses all the same accessories as the Nova 2 2x1. But why does the Nova 9-degree 2x1 exist? Why is it separate? It's because we use our Blair light engine technology, just like you find in the XC52, and our new optical technology to shrink down the beam angle of the Nova light to be 9 degrees. This is the tightest beam angle of any panel light of this type on the market, so that you can throw the light super far. Throw it 15, 30 meters, no problem. You can see at the top of this stadium right here, we are at least 20 to 25 meters away and you still have a bright spot of light. And this isn't even that full 100%. And the benefit of this is by using our Blair technology, we actually have a very wide color temperature range, actually the widest color temperature range of any Blair, using the deep red that you find just like in the Nova 2. We actually match the same Nova 2 CCT of 1800 Kelvin to 20,000 Kelvin. So that's even wider than the XC52. And of course, as a Blair fixture, you use blue, lime, amber, indigo, red, and then deep red. You still have access to a lot of different colors as well in the HSI modes or in the XY modes. The 9-degree also has 4 different individual pixels for you to do different lighting effects. And it makes a great complement to the Nova 2 2x1 by allowing you to mix some wider beam angle light, some soft light from the 2x1, the Nova 2, and then the tighter beam angle of the Nova 9. This makes it great for mimicking sunlight, pushing through windows, or even with a 650 watt power output, 800 watt power draw. It makes it great when you put it in the 3-light yoke to stack up 3 lights, draw 2400 watts of power, and still able to blast light from many meters away, so you can really simulate that sunlight look and the specularity while still meaning, of course, high color quality, high SSI because of the Blair light engine.
And why did you decide to go with a 9-degree? Why 9?
9 degrees because we wanted to maximize and minimize actually how tight the beam angle we can get out of a panel light. Right now we're always chasing towards this 1, very far punch, and then 2, this more parallel light for shadows. Everyone's always looking for better shadows, always ability to simulate sunlight better. That's why we even have the parallel beam 70 for the Storm XT52. And with the panel light here, with a Blair light engine, that's how much we're able to shrink down the beam angle to. So you can throw the light as far as you can, and that's ultimately what we're always trying to do. If you can throw the light very far, that means you can throw the light very far away, which means the shadow gets sharper because the light source is smaller.
And when can we expect this light to be available in the market?
This light we're expecting to be manufacturing and shipping around November.
So we should expect that in Brazil by January 2026. Thank you very much, Brandon. It's always a pleasure to be with you here and for the presentation and everything that you have done for the industry. Thank you.